the sweet spot between being an honest person and being a person who prioritizes their partner's emotional needs. The strategic balance of integrity and empathy. Finding the sweet spot, a step-by-step guide to find the perfect balance between being an honest person, maintaining your own integrity, self-respect, and prioritizing your partner's emotional needs, empathy, connection. You must act like a master of emotional wayfinding. This requires using strategic honesty rather than blunt or soft truth. Step 1. Identify the current traffic light phase. If you're in the yellow light phase, your priority should lean slightly more toward prioritizing her emotional needs. This is where you build connection through active listening and personal compliments to make her feel seen and appreciated. If you're in the red or blackout phase, your priority must shift toward your own honesty and self-respect. If she is pulling away, prioritizing her need for space, even if it's hard for you, is an act of honesty that preserves your dignity. Step 2. Apply the value. Added truth filter. Before speaking, ask yourself, is this truth meant to build a bridge or to serve my own ego? If you are being honest just to express a feeling, for example, I feel neglected, ensure it is paired with empathy so it doesn't come across as a complaint. Instead of saying, you never talk to me anymore, say, I really value our deep conversations and I've been missing that connection lately. This is empathetic honesty. Step 3. Use the calm dignity technique for hard truths. When your own needs or boundaries are being tested, do not compromise your truth just to please her. If she asks for space, being honest means giving it to her rather than chasing. This prioritizes her need for space while maintaining your self-respect. A person who prioritizes everything else becomes a chaser, losing the mystery and respect required for long-term attraction. The biggest mistake, the doormat versus stone trap. The biggest mistake is failing to realize that being too nice, prioritizing her needs at any cost, actually destroys your ability to be a person worth prioritizing. If you prioritize her emotional needs so much that you ignore your own boundaries, you become a doormat. You lose your way, you become predictable, and eventually she stops feeling the need to invest because you have already given everything. This leads to the soft red light or hard red light phases where she feels too secure and loses interest. Conversely, if you are so committed to your own honesty that you ignore her emotional state, you become a stone. You appear cold, unable to connect, and potentially even selfish. This causes emotional withdrawal because she no longer feels safe or seen in your presence. The Master's Wisdom. My personal advice, always lead with self-respect, then wrap it in empathy. A person who respects themselves enough to speak their truth, but is kind enough to deliver it at the right time, is able to create a deep, unbreakable bond. You cannot pour from an empty cup. If you do not prioritize your own emotional needs, you will eventually have nothing left to give her. The golden rule. Prioritize your self-respect so that your way of prioritizing her actually means something. If you have no self-respect, your empathy feels like chasing. A simple rule to remember: be a person who wants to meet her needs, not a person who needs to meet her, needs to feel okay. This maintains your mystery and power. The strategic formula, truth multiplied by timing, plus empathy equals irresistible integrity. Truth is what you actually feel or think. Timing is when you say it, based on the current phase. Empathy is how you deliver it to ensure she feels safe. Thank you for using the ultimate edition of Love Map. Make sure to like and subscribe our Love Map YouTube channel so you will know what the latest update on this powerful AI model